Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Monica and I have another subscription box. This time we have an unboxing for the Birchbox, the box for September. Before going into this box, I want to let you know that Birchbox has another limited edition box on their website. Also they have new kits, new discovery kits with all kind of products. You saw some of them on my channel. If you want to see the new ones, I have the links down below. So that's the latest beauty news. Also I have a couple other links in the description box with some new offers from Sephora favorites. So everything is down below if you want to check them. This box is magic inside. Looks like this for this month. Not the prettiest print. But anyway, let's see what we have in here. As usual, we get the card. And the card says, we're celebrating you. This month marks 8 years of Birchbox, and we couldn't have done it without our awesome customers, you. So we have the prices here. We have a bonus item, and I see is this one right here. This is Home Nutrition. It's Hair Sweet Hair Gummies in full size. This one is $25. Treat your strands from the inside out with these berry flavor vegan gummies that promote healthy hair growth thanks to a combo of folic acid, biotin, zinc and more. Take 2 gummies daily with or without food. So you're gonna see this one empty in my empties. This was the bonus item for this month. Let's see what we have for next what we have in the box, not for next month, what we have for September. And the first thing that I see here is a primer, and I got a couple samples of those that I will leave it for samples bags, because I'm using the full size of this one from the Korean box that I was talking many times about. And this is from Touch and Soul. It's no pore primer, no pore blem primer. Looks like this. It's a Korean brand. And about this one, Touch and Soul no pore blem, whatever, something like that. Full size, it's $18. This lightweight over cover does it all. Shrink pores, blurs out fine lines and hydrates your complexion. On clean dry skin, apply a thin layer all over your face. It's a nice primer. Then we have in here a hair product, and this one is from Arian Co. Parkave Blowout Balm. Is this one right here. This one in a full size, it's $29. This smoothing balm adds bounce to your blowout while protecting hair from heat damage. Massage dollop into damp strands, then blow dry. So I don't know how much you can get from this one depending of your hair length. I didn't try this one before, so I don't know what to tell you about that one. We have also in here an item that I saw, and if you watch my channel probably you saw that too, comes often in this month boxes or limited edition boxes. This is the Sandy Riley Good Genes lactic acid treatment. Is this tiny guy right here, and I'm sure Allure Beauty Box will have for October and November or something like that, couple products from Sandy Riley, which is great. About this one, this guy in a full size, it's $105. This best-selling high-potency lactic acid treatment exfoliates dead skin cells, plumps fine lines, even out hyperpigmentation, and boosts your skin's glow. Start by using the thin layer on clean dry skin twice a week, then building to daily use if needed. I should started using this one twice a week, because when I used it first time I could feel the how strong is this. So we have a Sandy Riley. Then we have a favorite product of mine. It's from This Works, and of course it is Deep Sleep Pillow Spray in a deluxe sample. This one in a full size, it's $29. Maintain a relaxed state as you fall fast asleep with this pillow spray packed with soothing lavender and chamomile essential oils. It does work, at least for me. I'm using this one always. I have a full size of this always in my collection. And the last but not least is the Stila item. We have a lip product from Stila. This is Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick in Patina Shimmer. The full size of this is 22. This creamy liquid lipstick in a dusty shimmery rose shade glides on like a glossy yet lasts like a stain. So here is the shade of this one. It's a pretty nice shade. I will swatch this for you. Pretty nice shade is this one right here. And I wanted to ask you, if you want to see lip products that are coming in subscription boxes, or at least in the boxes that I have, if you want to see try one of them, let me know and I'll put them in a different video. If you want to see how those colors looks on my skin tone, if you have a same skin tone with mine. So here was the last product, a Stila lipstick. We have a hair product from Rare & Co, which is Blowout Balm. We have a primer from Touch and Solve, Sunday Riley lactic acid treatment, deep sleep pillow spray from This Works, and 2 vitamins as bonus. Here is the box for the month of September. I will see you very soon with a limited edition box, as actually a mystery box. I will film that in couple minutes, so as soon as I can I will post them. In the meantime, you have an amazing day. Always don't forget to check the description box for the latest news in beauty and deals. I hope that helps. Also, one of you told me today that the ASOS Advent Calendar has now for sale the Advent Calendar with 24 days, not just the one that I have on my channel with 12 days. They have also the one with 24 days. So I will leave also the link for that calendar down below. If you want to check it, you have the full spoilers there. If you would like to check that, my pleasure. Always I will have the links in the description box. As I said, in the meantime, you have an amazing day. I will see you soon. Bye bye.